Going on, doggies? Welcome back to another video. All right, so let's talk about this morning. This morning was so sick. I actually had so much fun. I went to the other side of the island this morning, caught up with a mate. We went out fishing in really deep water. I think it's like over 1,000 meters deep, he was saying. We were fishing the fads, trolling baits, casting lures, and it was just one of those mornings which everything just panned out to be so good. Oh man, I'm so excited. So I've just driven back to the other side of this island. So I've just done a 3-hour stint on my bike back to this side of the island, trying to get away from the wind so I can cook up a feed because I am absolutely starving. So I found a nice little spot in the mangroves here where I can cook a feed up, and I'm gonna roll that footage on for you guys now. It was really windy this morning. I'm not sure if you can hear me, I got no idea, but hopefully you can, because it was a really good morning out in the boat. And yeah, I'm gonna roll those clips on now and I'm gonna start a fire. Whew! It's on! Wow, guys. All right, we've been here for 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. And the captain already is on to a dolphin fish. We've done one pass around this fad and it's on. He's already got a dolly. Yeah, brah! He's towing a bait, I'm casting lures, and it got smashed within 10 minutes. He's working it. Look at that rod bend. Oh, it's making him sing. Oh, it's even jumping. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Woohoo! Oh, he's hurt now. Here he comes. Oh, I gotta do some multitasking. I gotta gaff and film. There we go. So that's within being here for 10 minutes. Beautiful dolly. Look at the colours in him. Yeah, bruh. Good job. So we've literally been here for 10 minutes, like I said. That was so sick. So it's not the best conditions today. It's pretty windy. I hope you guys can hear me. It's actually very windy, but hey, the fish are here, so I'm getting out there to get my one. Woo! So we're changing our plan a little bit. We've just moved to another spot, and yeah, I've been flicking lures for a while. Old mate's trolling a bait and we're not getting a lot, so I'm going to change the bait as well, and hopefully we can get a big hook up. So this is what we're using for bait. Just going to slowly troll these around that fat out there, and yeah, hopefully we got a hit. Woo! This is mayhem. So we just started trolling a little lure to the next spot, and as soon as the lure hit the water, boom, it got absolutely smoked. I think it was a small little skirt. Oh, I can see colour. Looks good. Barracuda maybe?
Yes.
Look at this little gaff, how cool is it? There we go. Yeah, doggy. Yay. That's a good barracuda. Ooh. Look at the teeth on him, huh? Ooh. What's your finger? So that's what he got it on. He's trolling this tiny little, well, it's not really a tiny skirt. It's like a fly. Just dragging through the water. That was mad. Wait. Yeah. Woo! That's a fish. Woo! Oh no! Is it still there? Yes, it's still here. It's like swimming towards me. Ah! Oh, he's going everywhere. Where's he going? Just doing circles around the boat, huh? Woo! Oh no! He's flying! Whee! Oh! Alright, we're under the bamboo. Here we go. Yeah! That's what we come for. Very nice. We come here to get some dollies and we've done it. So this is a dolphin fish, also known as a mahi-mahi. So sick. Look at the colours in it. Beautiful fish. Very happy. We're just slowly trolling these bits of bait around these fads and they are getting absolutely belted. The wind is starting to drop off, the sun's coming out and it is turning into to be a very good day. Alright, so we've come up now on our fourth fad for the day. This is what it looks like. Just a little bamboo structure which just floats and it's anchored, and I think it's 1,000 meters of water here. It's 1,000 meters deep? Yeah. So it's 1,000 meters deep where we're fishing right now. That is insane. Look at that, that is so good. I'd even just about eat that. So that's what the dolphin fish are smashing. Get this out there and see if we can get another one on board. Ah! See you later, dolly bait. So how sick is this, right? That volcano in the background is actually a live volcano. It's still active as we fish right now, right in front of him. That's the volcano that you see on the news in Bali that blows the soot everywhere. So luckily it's not blowing its juice everywhere now, but it'd be a pretty sick view to see it from here. It'd be an even better view if I could see that rod go off. Go! Go! It is getting really rough out here, and we're going to head into a bit shallower water, I think, because we are getting belted. Everything I own is soaked. I've got my drone in my bag down here, and I don't even want to open my bag because I'm scared to see what the drone looks like. Would have been sick to fly the drone today, but it's just so windy out here. So, yeah. How good is it, Matt? So much of that wind not coming in. It's now blowing gale, and it is super choppy out here. Wow. So I think we're going to head in. I'm not too sure what we're doing, but we're definitely steaming towards land. Oh, getting absolutely pelted right now. So good, and it feels so good to have fish on board. Oh my God, that was the hell of a little mission to come in, soaking wet. But I'll show you the catch for the day. So this is what we got for the day, $2 and a barracuda. Beautiful eating. So I think I'm gonna rip a couple of fillets off the one that I got, which is this one. And yeah, I'm gonna cook him up. That is gonna taste so good, fresh fish. Beautiful. That is as fresh as it comes. Look at that, mate, that is beautiful. So good. What a power morning. That was actually quite good. So we've got the 3 fish, frothing with that. I've got a big bag of fillets here. So now we're gonna go cook this fish up. But first of all, if you guys want to go fishing with this man, I'm going to leave all of his details in the description below. So hit him up, go fishing. Today was sick. I'm definitely coming back here when it's less windy. So see you guys in 2 minutes around the fire. Alright, so what I found is this little coconut. It's half a coconut, it's pretty dry. What I want to do, I want to make a fire pit out of this coconut. Alright, so this is what that coconut looks like now. Doesn't look like anything special, but this should turn into a nice little, I don't know what you'd call it, like a fire pot or a little fire hole, because this sand is just so wet, everything's wet. I've gone and collected a couple of dry sticks and leaves, so let's get this little fire started. Okay, so we've got our coconut, it's full of sticks, full of leaves, and we've got our little hole in the bottom there. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Now we're getting the party started. All right. Ooh. Of course I'm sitting in the wind right now, but this is perfect. Look at this. We've got our little fire pit going. Very nice. It's actually working. So that hole that I put in the side and the side is like sucking in oxygen, which is helping the fire burn. So sick. Look at this thing. So once I get a couple of coals in there, I can chuck my frying pan on top, bang the fish on and eat, because I am so hungry right now. Boy. So now I'm just going to sit my pan on top of that, and we are going to be eating mahi-mahi, which was swimming around in the ocean about 3 hours ago. I am so hungry right now. I'm like kind of shaking. I haven't eaten anything since 2 o'clock in the morning, and now it's late afternoon, so this is going to be the best meal. But while that gets hot, let's check the drone, because my bag got absolutely drenched today and I'm a little bit worried to see how the drone looks. So let's have a look. I don't even know if I'm ready for this controller. Oh, we're good. Drone. Oh my God. It made the trip. That is unbelievable, because this bag was dripping wet. I don't understand how that is not wet. Oh my goodness. I am absolutely stoked with that. That's really good. Yes. And another handy thing that I always take in my bag is like a little sealer bag like this. And this has 2 little packets of oil, coffee, salt, pepper, just a couple of little things if you're doing a day trip and you get hungry on the side of the road. Exactly what I'm doing right now. A little packet like this comes in handy so much. So we're gonna cook this fish and I will use everything in there. Very handy. So this is pretty much how our little fire pit's looking. I've left a hole in here so I can just feed sticks under to keep the fire going as I cook the fish. Look at that, man, that is so good. Epic. All right, so here's those little packets of oil. Oh yeah, that's good. We'll throw that in the bin later. Oh, can you hear that oil? Ah, it's spitting on me. All right, so here's a beautiful little fillet of that mahi-mahi we got this morning. Oh. Guys, first piece of fish is going on the pan. This is gonna taste so good. I am that hungry in our little makeshift coconut pan. Oh my God. Stop it. And it doesn't get any fresher than that. That is the freshest fish. This was swimming around like 3 hours ago, fresh out of the ocean. So just bang it on here. How could I forget the salt? Oh mate, look at that. That is so good. Okay, this fish has been on there for about 5 minutes. It's actually hot. That coconut actually pumps out a lot of heat. Like, I've only put another 2 sticks in there and it's still going really hot, which is surprising but really good to know. So there's a little tip for you guys. You can actually cook inside a coconut. That's pretty mad. I've never done that before, but let's see if this fish is ready. It's nearly done. Let's have a look. Oh my God, stop it. Look at that. This bit will be done for sure. This big chunk. Oh. Wow, I am so hungry. This is gonna be so good. Which one, which one, which one, which one? This one. That is so fresh. Looks so delicious. Oh my God. That is actually, I'm not just saying this, this is absolutely delicious. All I did was put salt and oil on that and that tastes so good. And it was all cooked on this tiny little coconut, which is actually still really hot. Doggies, thank you so much for watching. Much love, and I will, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Yoo-hoo! Oh, I forgot to put the lime on. Oh no! Oh my God.